Hey guys, this is Jerome Parker here, part 3 of 14 of the Writing a Charity app in Laravel and Stripe. So in this segment, we're going to focus on our Eloquent models. Now, Eloquent is Laravel's ORM, or Relational Mapper. So basically what that does is you can take the columns in your database and map them to a PHP object. So what we're going to do is take the migrations from the last video and turn them into objects. Now, one of them is already done for you. Actually, a couple of them, but we're not using the team object. If you look in your program directory, what happened there? I gotta open up Atom. I don't know why it closed. Anyway, if you look in your project directory, you will see in the app directory, app, you see you have team and user, which were already scaffolded for you. And if you look in here, we're just going to take a look at these objects real quick. You can see they extend some stuff. This is somewhere extends from model. And then let's look at these. So you have a protected fillable. Now these are the attributes that you want to be assignable. So if these things aren't filled in, if this array isn't filled in, then if you try to do a post request and create your object, it's not gonna work. So you put the things that you want filled in. So for example, in this user class, email, name, and password, those are the fields you're gonna put in when you sign up. Makes sense. Pins, we don't have to worry about that, and hidden, we're not really gonna have to worry about that either. So let's head over to our application. And we're going to enter this command, php artisan make model. And we're going to call this model charity. Alright, cool. So our model's been created, and we'll find it right here. You see extends model. So first thing I want to do is tell this model what database to point to. You don't really have to do this. The Laravel's pretty smart about figuring out the table based off the name, but I just personally like to put it charities. Now let's make our fillable array. Now what do we want to put in here? Now let's head over to back to our database migrations folder and look at our charity schema. So we have user ID, name, description, and monthly amount. So those are the things that we want to have fillable. So we're going to put user ID, name, description, and monthly amount. Alright, and I believe that is all. Let's see. Yeah. Yep, that's all. So we're going to save this. And now, anytime we want to do any database interactions, creating, updating, and deleting, we can use Eloquent and use their models. So it just facilitates a lot of underlying work, like database transactions and stuff like that. It's some really cool methods. I'll be showing you how to use it in our next video. In the next video, we're going to be working on our routes and our views to go with it. So I'm excited. Thank you guys for joining this far. Please bear with me. It's my first time doing a video series. I promise it will get better. But don't forget to follow me on Twitter at MasterShake08. And also, same if you want to follow my Instagram, it's the same at MasterShake08. And don't forget, subscribe to my blog. You'll get emails every time I post, and it'll contain these videos and as well as written step by step of what to do. So, I really appreciate you guys. Have a good day.